There are 5 secret steps that I want to show you in this video to skyrocket your YouTube views and also get more subscribers. These steps are critical in giving you views that you would not even believe are within your YouTube studio for you to do, that you need to configure for you to get more views. So stick around and follow each of these steps critically, because they will be what will help your channel to be successful and get more views and grow fast on YouTube, with how you use AI to optimize your YouTube using SEO strategy. So let's dive into that. So now, for those using their desktop, if you come to YouTube like this, you click on this place you see. Then once you click on your profile picture, click on YouTube Studio. So once you go to YouTube Studio, there are certain things I would like you to do. Now, one of those things is for you to come here and click on settings. So once you click on settings, then go to this place you see where you see channel. Click on channel. So once you click on channel, there is a place where you see keywords. Now, keywords are those things you want to rank for on your YouTube that your channel is about. Some people leave this place empty, and once you are leaving this place empty, it means you are not optimizing your YouTube video very well. So you have to fill here with things that, not just only words, with things that you want to rank for. That's one of the things you need to do. Like if you're a fitness person, you can fill this place with things that have to do with fitness. If you are into, like myself, you are into WordPress, content creation, creating of websites, email marketing, and the rest, that's what you put there. Something like this, you just come here and type email marketing, click enter. Then you can write YouTube growth. So after you've filled in the whole thing you have here for the basic keywords, what I will advise you to do is same on these settings. Just click here, upload default. Now this is the place where you have to put your channel description, things that are related to your channel. So what I will advise you to do, if you don't know what you put here, just go to Chat GPT and tell it what your channel is about and the kind of video you create. So let me show you what you need to do, and just follow me. Just come over to Chat GPT. So once you go to Chat GPT, you give it this prompt. I'll be dropping the prompt in the comment section so you can use it. So this is the prompt I'll be giving to the AI, and I will drop these prompts in the description. So what you do is you just tell the AI that you are a professional YouTube content strategy. Write a compelling YouTube channel description for a small creator who teaches digital marketing trends, tutorial, and insight. The channel's target, so your target should be small YouTube creators, digital marketer, business owners. Style or tone should be friendly, witty, and authoritative, similar to Mr. B's energy, but tailored to education. Content include trends in tech, AI, and SEO, YouTube growth strategies, search engine optimization tips, actionable tutorial. Include a call to action to subscribe, language that builds trust while being fun, SEO keywords, naturally, digital marketing, AI, YouTube tips, SEO tutorial, limit to 1,000 characters. Just click on go. So the AI would give you that. So this is it. So just copy this and go to your channel description, paste it there. So this is it. So instead of just saying welcome to your go-to hub for digital marketing, you can put your channel name there. So once you are done, you can just click on save. So once you click on save, you have saved that. Then the next thing I want to talk about, which is the third step, is while you want to upload your video, what do you need to do? Now, what you need to do is you come over to this place you see upload on your YouTube studio. This place, just click on upload. So once you click on upload, click on select file. So once you click on select file, one thing I want you guys to take note of is any file you want to upload as a video, I will recommend that you save the file name with the title of the video you want to give it. And let me show what I'm trying to say. If you look at this video, you see AI agent. So I'll just click on that. So if you look at the title of my video, it has, look at it, it said AI agent explain like you are 5. Easiest explanation ever. So you see, I don't have to start stressing myself and looking at all this. Or I can use my keyword tool, which I use, which is vidIQ, for getting it. I can just come here and say, is your AI agent really working for you or against you? You see? So I can still change the name, but still keeping this. You see, take note, my file name is shown here. It means YouTube also pay attention to that because you are trying to make the algorithm understand what your channel is about. If you notice, my description is filled here. So what I will just do now is I can now say, okay, since I'm talking about AI agent, I can still go back to ChatGPT and say you should give me a description tailored to this video. Then I will now add it at the top of this my description here. Now, once you have done this, the next thing you want to do is the thumbnail. Please take note of what I will show you here. I want to show you how to steal like an artist. So how do you steal like an artist? Very simple. Just head over to YouTube, which is the place I would recommend you to go to. So when you head over to YouTube, please follow me carefully. So once you head over to YouTube, just without your topic name, paste your topic name here and click on enter. You can just leave it as this. So once you do this, please just take note of what you are going to be seeing here, videos you are going to be seeing here. Just look at it. A long form video that you're going to be seeing there. Now, please take note of all the videos you see. You see, I said, you see my iPhone assistant. You see, this person is talking about iPhone assistant. This one is, so you have to look at other people's kind of tutorial you're seeing. So you have to look at other people's thumbnail. So once you look at other people's thumbnail, you can now use that to come up with your own idea. I hope you understand, right? You can now use that to come up with your own idea. So you look at, so all the videos you are seeing, there are people on the video, then there is a write-up very big, and that is how you're going to craft your own. Let me show you what so I'll go to Canva and look at, then I can just pick this. Love the design. So what I'll do, once I pick it, I'll just click on customize this template. So if you like the design, you just click on share. Once you click on share, click on download. So once you click on download, make sure it is in PNG, then you just click on download here. So you go back to your YouTube channel, then you click on this place, you see upload file. So just come back to this download your download. So you just upload the file. So if you notice, this is it. So once you have that as your thumbnail, if you notice, even on a smaller screen, make sure that it is being seen what you write. If you notice, all this text here is still visible. Then you scroll down. Then another section I want to show you is another section where you can add keyword. So just scroll down and go to this place you see tag. If you are not seeing it, probably it may be like this for you. When you're not seeing it, just click on show more. So once you click on show more, scroll down to this place where you see tag. Now, what I will advise you to do, I will also come to ChatGPT and say, generate a tag for this title. Then I'll say it, since I said for this title, say using comma to separate them. So I'll just copy it. Once I copy it, I'll go back to this. I'll paste it here. Then I can ask it to give me more. Now, why am I saying? So I can just copy this. This is more, just copy it. Go back to my channel. If you notice, this is 242 out of 500. I can just paste. So if you are able to get good amount, so this is 430. Leave that, then you click on next. So once you click on next, Now, one other thing you need to do is you come to this place, you see video element, which is the next place it will take you to. Now, if you have a subtitle for your video, you can add the subtitle here. But if you don't have a subtitle, what I would advise, just leave it and YouTube will automatically add for you the subtitle. Then just click on this place, you see add end screen. Click on it. So once you click on this place, you see add end screen. Now this end screen, what it does, it helps to your channel, so you can just keep the end screen like this and click on save. So once you click on save, it will be saved. Then you go back to this place, you see add card. Just click on that too, because that will also help. Then you click on video, then you select videos that you want to add to your card. Up to at least 5 videos you can add to your card. Then you select the video, then you come back here. So you do the same for other videos. You just click on add card, then come to video and add this. You just go on like that. You just click on save. So you click on next. So once you click on next, which is you go to this place, you see visibility, you click on next again. Now what I will advise you to do is leave your video under schedule. See, they say before you click on publish, make sure you check on this following. Do kid appear in this video? Make sure you follow our policy to protect minors from harm, exploitation, bullying. So they are giving you what you need to look at. Then you click on this place, you see schedule. So once you click on this place, you see schedule. This is what I would advise. You can pick a date like, okay, I want it to be maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow. So today is 29. So I will say, okay, I want it to be on the 30th by what time? Okay, I want it to be by 3 in the afternoon, 3 p.m. So I'll scroll down and select 3 p.m. from the list of option here. So I'll just select 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Then I'll click on schedule, and that is all. And the reason why I'm leaving it on schedule is I want you to be able to understand the purpose of my video before I send this video out. So the algorithm will be able to know what the video is about. Then once they are able to know it, then when I click on schedule and post it, once it gets to that time on the 30th of this month, this video will go live, thereby making YouTube to understand what the video is about. So if you have learned a lot from this video, I will advise you to hit the subscribe button and also tell me what you have been doing and what you feel you have learned from this video that you want to do to increase your views. So make sure you share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is George Digital. See you in the next video, which will be recommended to you, and have a nice day. Peace out.